Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
All right, another how-to video for the 2025 Ford Maverick that I got parked out there right now. We're getting ready to put on some TufSkinz door sills, which is a Ford OEM accessory. I got them right here. I'm going to open them up. I got it parked like that because I'm trying to do it in the sun so I can see. So we bought these with our points after we bought the car. So I'm going to open them up, take a look at them. They've been sitting in the grass since February. It's August now. There'll be a link for these in the description. That's what they look like. 2 for the front, 2 for the back. So I watched one video of somebody putting them on. It's actually from TufSkinz YouTube page, and it took them 45 seconds. Of course, this is probably going to take me an hour because I've never done it before and I've got OCD. So hopefully this helps somebody out. I'm going to get set up here, come right back. All right, 50% alcohol, rubbing alcohol, 50% water. I keep a bottle on my boat for my electronics. Doing the back first. Clean this off. And then we'll open it up. You're supposed to line it up with these seams on the plastic there. So let's open this up. This is going to be the hardest part of the program here, is getting these things out. Oh boy, this is going to be interesting. Here goes nothing. I put a little piece of masking tape to guide that seam for me. This is going to be a pain. That's not working. There we go. That did work. Sit corrected. Guess you just gotta take your time. One down. Okay, this one's done. My camera's overheating. So, passenger door, front, done. There we go. This one's a little harder than the other one. It's just the angle and I'm sitting. Oh, take it back up. Oh, now I'm cramping. Whew. A little tricky. No air bubbles. Put a cramp in my leg. I don't know why that one was so hard. Still a little high up on that end. Ah. Okay, that's the fourth one, and for whatever reason it was the hardest one. You'd think they would get easier as I went along. Hit the like and subscribe button if this video helped you out.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.